blasted the fireworks, now what?
We'll take to the forest and throw rocks at them.
Rocks.
What else can we do?
Here?
Yes, sir. They're up there on the perimeter, sir.
Let's do it.
General Whiplash, the village is ours.
Torch it, Shane. Burn everything.
Yes, sir.
No, wait a minute. That's bad publicity. Have the photographers take pictures of the boys straightening up the place.
You got it.
Learn from history or repeat it.
Come on, Chief. I gotta stop. You can make it. You're a young man.
Don't let this facelift fool you. I'm 62.
On second thought.
Ow! Okay, hold it. Hold it right there.
Hold your fire! Hold your fire! Hold your fire!
Somebody hit me with a rock.
It was one of them Indian dancers.
Right. That's it. Now I'm heated.
Not since their all-male revival of Little Women had the Kumquats faced such a hostile reception. But the Kumquats never walked away from a fight. They preferred to run.
What do we need, Chief?
2 weeks in Maui.
Well, bigger rocks.
Size down as this one. We're out of the big stuff.
We're screwed.
No, we're not. Look, it's my horse, just like in my dream.
Wait a minute. We're saved because that flea-bitten nag showed up?